Hello, my friend on the internet. Information reaching me is that you're looking for a way to activate your Microsoft Windows. You're welcome because you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly do that and permanently. So the first thing you want to do to activate your Windows is to open up the command prompt as an administrator. So to do that, just click on the search bar here. Mine is already showing here, but normally you'd want to just search it in case you're not seeing here. Then just right click. You see run as administrator. Click on that. Next you want to do is enter this command. As you can see, look at it carefully please, and let me expand this. As you can see, this is slmgr, then the space, the slash, then is rearm. It's important that you enter the right command, then click on enter. You're supposed to get a prompt. So you will see this prompt. It says command completed successfully. Please restart the system for the changes to take effect. So what you want to do is to restart your system. Please do not switch off. Those are two different things. Restart is different from switching off. So I'll just click OK, then come down here. As you can see, come to the power button. I have shut down and I have restart. You don't want to click on the shutdown. You want to click on the restart. Now, when I click on restart, I'm going to restart my system, then show you the effect of the command we've entered. All right, I've restarted my system, and as you can see, the activate Windows message that was right here before has disappeared. So it's that simple and straightforward. If you follow the step, I'm sure you should have been able to achieve this as well. If you found value in this video, do well to subscribe, like and share so that people who are also looking for same solution can find it and get the help they need. Thank you. See you in the next one.